Jai Gurudev. On behalf of Maharshi Shiksha Sansthan, Maharshi Vidya Mandir, Hyderabad, we have a wholehearted welcome to all the parents. Today being Basant Panchami, wish you all a very happy Basant Panchami. We are really blessed and thankful that our Honorable Chairman Ji is here. He'll be joining us shortly. And we are also thankful that the National Office Directors are also here physically present to witness and bless all of us. It's really a very proud moment. The school has completed 25 years and we had the Silver Jubilee celebration. Thank you. So the opening ceremony of the Silver Jubilee was done in the month of December 2024 at Gachibowli Stadium. And today we have completed the 25th year and it's the concluding session of the Silver Jubilee and the annual day celebration. It's really, when we look at the journey Maharshi Vidya Mandir had from the inception 2000, it was fortunate and it was a blessing. And we should thank the management for giving me the opportunity to be connected, to be there from the inception of the day of the school in 2000. And we have completed 25 years. And it's very important for us now to plan for the future. When we look at the report, the journey Maharshi Vidya Mandir Hyderabad had for 25 years, it has to be in an elaborate manner. So we felt that year-wise, the achievements, developments, each and everything which was supposed to be covered as far as Maharshi Vidya Mandir Hyderabad is concerned, is done as an elaborate report which goes into pages, and that will be shared as a soft copy. Next thing is we are having the celebration in 3 sessions today. So the very first session, 9 o'clock to 12 noon, is for the nursery, LKG, UKG, and first standard students. Then after lunch, we have the second standard, third standard, and fourth standard students. And in the evening, we have the class 5, 6, and 7th standard students participating. We had the enlightened presentation for the classes 8th standard, 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th standard students. That was done in the school for about 6 Saturdays in between September and October month, because after December, January, they have the practical exams, they have the pre-board exams, and next the capacity of the auditorium to go on to 6 sessions and 7 sessions has to be thought about. So we did that class-wise. Class 8, we had one Saturday, invited the parents to participate, and they had the enlightened presentations of all the students participating. Then we had the class 9, the parents were invited another Saturday, and it was done in the school campus. Then the class 10, the parents were there to witness the children doing different projects, enlightened presentations of each and every class. Then the class 11 and 12. So that was done. Then we felt that if we have to go class-wise, we have about 8 to 10 sessions of each class in the lower classes. That goes to many, many Saturdays or maybe for the whole year. So we were planning to have it today for the students of nursery to 7th standard in 3 sessions. We have to extend our thanks to all the parents. We have no words to thank you all, parents, because without your support, nothing is possible. The tiny tots were handed over to us at the school campus at 6 a.m. today. So we can understand how important it is for us to thank all of you for all the support. We have no words to thank our management because without their guidance and support, nothing is possible. We have to thank the whole team of teachers and the non-teaching for all the support. There is nothing which is possible as an individual. The team support. Thanks a lot to each and everyone. When we have to just speak a brief report about Maharishi Vidya Mandir Hyderabad, we have to be very careful to mention that we are blessed to have transcendental meditation into the school curriculum. We always have the transcendental meditation happening in the morning and in the evening 2 times a day. That's the blessing of His Holiness Maharishi Mahesh Yogi Ji, which has been offered to us as a great gift. Once we are the meditators, we incorporate consciousness-based education. Maharishi consciousness-based education is such a great tool. We have to understand the importance and benefits of consciousness-based education because, to put it in a very brief manner, it's a great tool where we have a strong foundation, we are settled. Anything, whatever changes happen, there is nothing which makes us to feel impossible. Everything is possible. We may have the national education policy, we may have the national curriculum framework, we have changes happening, no changes happening, modifications happening. Everything is accepted and very smoothly blended into the school curriculum because we have the transcendental meditation and the consciousness-based education as a great gift for all the Maharishi Vidya Mandir institutions. We have to make sure that we understand that and we incorporate and we make it happen in true sense. Again, to make us understand what is consciousness-based education, it is very simple. We make sure there is a systematic procedure where we have standard student behavior. They have to know, everybody has to know how the standard student behavior needs to be for the students. We need to know the key principles we have for the teaching for teachers. We are all teachers. We need to have certain principles to be adopted. We need to have the key principles of communication and behavior. Whatever we have, the knowledge, we may have PhD, we may have several degrees. Unless we are prepared and unless we are able to reach every level of the student we have in the class, it doesn't make any sense. So it's very important for us to have the communication and behavior, which is very, very important. So that is also there into our system. We always have a very systematic procedure where we make sure that we come to the class, we greet everybody. We don't have to wait for somebody to greet us. It's our minimum responsibility to greet everyone. And we say, Jai Gurudev. Then it is all set. We make sure, even if it is a subject, academics, or a co-curricular activity, anything what we do, we have to make sure we introduce that. If we have the duration of half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, 40 minutes, we need to have a proper procedure so that we know we start like that. We have the interaction happening. We make sure that even if any doubts are there, we have to clarify, come back, and see that the sequence is carried on in a very smooth manner, and the concluding part is also taking place. So these are the systematic procedures which are adopted in our consciousness-based education, which makes the teaching learning process successful. So we are all very thankful for being a member of Maharishi family and having transcendental meditation and consciousness-based education into our system. We are also thankful that our Honorable Chairman Ji has given Vedic divine technique to all of us. That is an additional tool and a gift, precious, which will make us to remain a good human being. More than anything, if we can practice to be a good human being, if we can allow all the children to be a good human being, I think we'll not miss out anything what is required in life. We don't want to take too much of time in addressing and speaking because all of us as parents will be waiting for the children to be on the stage and we enjoy. Please relax, let us enjoy. In between, once we have a honorable chairman, we will be inviting Chairman Ji and our national directors to honor them because it's a great blessing. And we are sure that all of us will join together and we'll have great time. Enjoy yourself. Once again, thanks a lot. Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev. Jai Maharshi. It's really a great joy for me to be present again at this beautiful auditorium of Hyderabad, where all my family is here, Maharshi Ji's family is here, my respected principal, my colleagues, directors from National Office, respected teachers, respected parents of students, and my very dear students. It had been always a joy. I don't know how many people know that when this land was being searched, I was the one who came to finalize the land of Maharshi Vidya Mandir. And everyone said, Girish got mad. He's purchasing this land in this barren area of the city, and there's no prospects for development here. But as people rightly said, I was mad and I purchased the land. And now you see what is the status of the property there. It happened at many places where I bought the land 20, 25 years, 30 years back. And now that is kind of a very important area of the city. Maharshi Vidya Mandir, Hyderabad is number 1 Maharshi Vidya Mandir school out of 153 branches in the country. Academically, co-curricular activities, performance of teachers, performance of students in different fields, performance of principal, of course. Without that, it won't be achieved. And great contribution of parents sending their brilliant children to our school. I always say, it's not only the school which makes the life like this. There is a huge contribution of parents, the family members. Everywhere I have noticed. Without that, students don't grow, children don't grow. So congratulations to all the parents, and my heartiest thanks to you for choosing Maharshi's organization, Maharshi School, for sending your wards here. What we are doing, which other schools or educational institutions not doing, that is the common question comes everywhere in media, in schools, in conferences, education conferences and all that. I want to share with you in very simple words. All other educational institutions, what they do, we have a container of knowledge that is called consciousness. All other institutions fill that container of knowledge. You can see a little bottle sitting there. I don't know, maybe it is 200 ml. So that is the container how much you can fill in that? 200 ml, right? And that is done. What Mahasi organization does is expands the container of knowledge. At present it is 200 ml. We expand it to 250, to 300, to 500, to 700, to 1000 and beyond that. And how? We know that. I don't know, maybe out of you, one is neurologist or brain reader. When we put electrodes in brain and see the results in computer, it is called brain mapping. You see some people have this much area developed, some people have this much area developed, some people have this much area developed. Normally, about 5% brain is utilized by an individual, only 5%. With practice of transcendental meditation twice daily and its advanced programs, the brain functioning enhances. The area of use enhances. You could see on the computer, on the screen, the alpha waves are increasing. I've been working on that project for about 25, 30 years with few of the greatest neurologists, neuroscientists of the world. This is a great contribution of His Holiness Mahasi Mahesh Yogi, who has started his life from a very remote village where he had to go 5 kilometers one way to study primary school. From there he rose and gone to 124 countries only in 10-year period, and established thousands of transcendental meditation centers, Jyotish centers, Vastu centers, TM Siddhi program centers, Ayurvedic hospitals, Ayurvedic consultancy hospitals, Ayurvedic medicine preparation and distributions. I have been one of the key person marketing Ayurvedic medicine in over 100 countries. So just one person with the blessings of his master, and thereby you might have noticed we do the puja every day. What is that puja we do? It's a thanksgiving to the holy tradition of masters every day, because all the knowledge coming to us is from that holy tradition. These days you might be listening the controversy. I always call it, for my joy, controversy. Sanatan, non-Sanatan, this and that. We don't want to go into that. We only know the knowledge of India for everyone. Doesn't matter what religion one follows, is the same. Sun rises not for Hindu, not for Sanatani, not for Muslim, not for Christian, not for Sikh, not for Jain, not for Jewish. Sun rises for everyone. And that is what we call is part of laws of nature. Prakriti ke niyam. So we are Prakriti-vadi, we can say. We are naturalists. And this knowledge Mahasi has brought to the whole world. And by practicing this knowledge morning and evening, including this knowledge in our life, Mahasi has given a word to that, a title to that. People should live ideal life, Adarsh Jivan. And how to create that ideal life is very simple. You awaken your consciousness, which is at the basis of the physiology and at the basis of your life. चेतना जो है वो जीवन का आधार है. तो अगर हम चेतना को, अपनी चेतना को प्रकृति की चेतना से मिला लेते हैं, उसमें सामंजस्य स्थापित कर लेते हैं, दैट्स इट. तो जो प्रकृति की मादा है, जो प्रकृति की क्षमता है, जो प्रकृति की विशेषताएं हैं, वही विशेषताएं हमारे अंदर में आ जाती हैं। और जब ये सारी विशेषताएं हमारे अंदर में आ जाती हैं, तो जैसे नेचर इज एन आइडियल सिस्टम इन द यूनिवर्स, गवर्निंग द यूनिवर्स, जस्ट ए ह्यूज गवर्नेंस। अभी हम लोग अपनी लाइफ को गवर्न करने में थक जाते हैं, फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाते हैं, टायर्ड हो जाते हैं। बट सी द नेचर, इट गवर्न्स सो मच। Trillions of galaxies are being governed by the nature. How it is possible? These days, those who are in administration, they would know a word called automation in administration. हिंदी में उसको बोलते हैं स्वयंमेव प्रशासन, automation. So what nature has, it has automation in its administration. Have you ever seen somebody going out in the morning, putting a switch on and sun is rising? No. Did you ever see somebody goes in Himalaya, puts a button on and Ganges is flowing? No. This is what it is called eternal, Shashwat, Sanatan. People fight on that word. We don't have to fight. It is a very simple thing. The nature had been what they call Anadi. And nature is Anant. Nobody knows when it started and nobody knows when it's going to end. So my very humble request to all my family here is, हम झगड़े में नहीं पड़ते, क्योंकि हमको अपना जीवन हैंडल करने के लिए बहुत कुछ बाकी है अभी, अपने परिवार को हैंडल करने के लिए बहुत कुछ बाकी है, अपने समाज के लिए करने को बहुत कुछ है, अपने नगर को, अपने प्रांत को, अपने राष्ट्र को, और हमारे यहाँ कहा वसुधैव कुटुंबकम, द वर्ल्ड इज माई फैमिली। तो अपनी वर्ल्ड फैमिली के लिए बहुत कुछ करना है। क्या करना है? सब लोग सुखपूर्वक रहें, शांतिपूर्वक रहें, समृद्ध रहें, कहीं दुख ना हो, कहीं निर्धनता नहीं हो, गरीबी नहीं हो, लोग प्रबुद्ध हों, एनलाइटेंड हों, हेल्दी हों, ऑल द टाइम आनंद में रहें, ब्लिसफुल लाइफ हो। अभी हमने 24 अगस्त को एक प्रोग्राम लॉन्च किया है। अभी सारी महर्षि ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस को एक टाइटल के अंदर में ले लिया, क्योंकि बहुत टाइटल्स थी। वी कॉल इट महर्षि वर्ल्ड, महर्षि वर्ल्ड। और उसके अंदर एक प्लान दिया है, व्हाट वी कॉल इज ब्लिसफुल वर्ल्ड प्लान। अपने यहाँ वैदिक लिटरेचर में कहा, आनंदा देव खल विमानी भूतानि जायन्ते। जो कुछ भी है सब आनंद का ही बना हुआ है, उसी की उत्पत्ति है। तो जब है तो हमारे जीवन में आनंद क्यों नहीं है? हमारे जीवन में सफरिंग क्यों है? स्ट्रगल क्यों है? संघर्ष क्यों है? नहीं होना चाहिए। और इसका विधान बहुत सरल है। हम तो आप सबको अनुरोध करेंगे, निवेदन करेंगे कि अपने स्कूल में टीचर हैं, कम होंगे तो और भेज देंगे, सब सीख लीजिए। केवल 4 दिन चाहिए, 1-1.25 घंटे रोज, एंड देन यू प्रैक्टिस लाइफ लॉन्ग। पूरे वर्ल्ड में मिलियंस ऑफ पीपल हैव लर्न फ्रॉम ऑल रिलीजन्स, हिंदूज, मुस्लिम्स, क्रिश्चियंस, Jewish, Shinto, all these people meditate. Because this is nothing to do with religion. It's a mental technique. It handles the consciousness. That's it. मसीह कहते थे, अगर कोई ध्यान करता है तो वो अच्छा क्रिश्चियन है, वो अपने मुस्लिम धर्म को ज़्यादा अच्छा समझेगा। वो जूइश अगर है तो अपने जूइश रिलीजन को और अच्छा समझेगा। क्यों? क्योंकि उसका मस्तिष्क जो है वो बहुत ग्रो कर जाता है, बहुत एक्टिव हो जाता है। अपनी चेतना जहाँ जागृत हुई, सब कुछ उसके लिए सुलभ हो जाता है, सरल हो जाता है। तो आप सब भी इसको सीखिए और अपनी लाइफ को जो है बहुत सिस्टमेटिक एज पर नेचर्स फंक्शनिंग उससे अलाइन कर लीजिए, उससे सामंजस्य स्थापित कर लीजिए, उससे जोड़ लीजिए। और यही महर्षि संस्थान के वर्ल्ड वाइड सक्सेसफुल होने का सीक्रेट है। और यही जितने हम लोग कार्यकर्ता हैं महर्षि जी के, उनकी लाइफ अच्छी होने का सीक्रेट है कि हम लोग जो है प्रातः संध्या अपनी साधना करते हैं। यू नीड ओनली 15-20 मिनट्स, दैट्स इट, इन द मॉर्निंग, इन द इवनिंग। इतना करने से अपने परिवार का जीवन जो है सब तरह से आनंदमय होता है, सुखमय होता है, निरोग होता है। ये अपने विश्व परिवार अपना जो है विशेष रूप से महर्षि विश्व परिवार जो है उसके लिए बहुत आवश्यक है और बहुत सरल है। इट्स ईजीएस्ट वे टू लिव लाइफ इन परफेक्शन। महर्षि जी ने एक सेलिब्रेशन किया था, यहाँ भी इसी हॉल में किया था हमने वो सेलिब्रेशन, मेकिंग आवर लाइफ perfect, making our life in celebration. All the time we are celebrating perfection in our life. So I invite all of you, you're all our family, Mahashi's family, please join in this, create your own life to be ideal life, create your society's life to be ideal life, और सब आनंदमय जीवन जो है, सब आपके तो बच्चे अभी ग्रो कर रहे हैं। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू रिपोर्ट, बच्चे यहाँ से आते हैं, बहुत सारे कोर्सेस में बच्चे यहाँ से आते हैं। हमारे जो नेशनल कल्चरल सेलिब्रेशन होता है, इन देयर आउटस्टैंडिंग चिल्ड्रन, अलग दिखते हैं। ये हैदराबाद का बच्चा है, अलग दिखता है। बहुत सारे बच्चे आपके हमारे फ्रेंड बन गए हैं, वो मुझे व्हाट्सएप में कुछ कुछ मैसेज भेजते रहते हैं, मैं उनको मैसेज भेजता रहता हूँ। दे शेयर देयर पिक्चर, आई शेयर माई पिक्चर, सो दे आर ऑल फ्रेंड्स। तो बहुत अच्छा है, यू आर लकी, यू गॉट सच ब्रिलियंट चिल्ड्रन इन दिस एज एंड दे आर लर्निंग टू बी अ वेरी गुड ग्लोबल सिटीजन। और आप सबके आशीर्वाद से, हम सबके प्रयास से हमारे बच्चे जो है, हमने पहले भी एक बार अनाउंस किया था, ग्लोबल लीडरशिप की उनको ट्रेनिंग देनी है। अभी हमने एक स्कीम लॉन्च की थी, कुछ बच्चे आ रहे हैं, बहुत सिंपल स्कीम है, छोटी सी बता देते हैं। आपके बच्चे 12th पास करें, स्कूलिंग कंप्लीट करें, हमारे पास आ जाएं। हमारे पास 3 विश्वविद्यालय हैं, उनमें से किसी में भी उनको अप टू PhD लेवल की हम एजुकेशन देंगे, विदाउट एनी फी, विदाउट एनी चार्ज। उनका रहना, उनका भोजन, उनका हेल्थ केयर, उनकी क्लोथिंग, उनका एजुकेशन, स्टडी मटेरियल, और उसके साथ में ग्लोबल लीडरशिप की ट्रेनिंग, विच इज़ वेरी, हाउ टू से, वेरी बैडली रिक्वायर्ड टुडे। अभी देख रहे हैं ना मिस्टर ट्रंप क्या कर रहे हैं। एक उदाहरण है, लोग कहते हैं ही इज ग्लोबल लीडर। अपने लोग कहते हैं ना, इधर से उधर देखें कि उधर से इधर देखें, तो यू हैव टू डिसाइड कि उनको कहाँ से कहाँ देखें। उससे काम नहीं चलेगा। उसको काउंटर करने के लिए केवल ओनली Indian children can be trained to lead the world, nowhere else. Please believe me, I have been in 72 countries in last 44 years, 72 countries. I worked with the people, children, I worked with the middle-aged people, I worked with senior people of that. I have seen at least 1 million or 2 people from different walks of life. Doesn't matter what, I don't want to say which area. And I have noticed, it's not only that I am Indian, so I am appreciating India. No. Anywhere you go, everywhere you go, Indians outstand completely differently. And the whole world is seeking knowledge from India, nowhere else. ठीक है, AI में अमेरिका आगे हो सकता है, जापान आगे हो सकता है, चाइना आगे हो सकता है, बट जहाँ बात आती है ज्ञान की, वो केवल भारत, नो अदर कंट्री। जहाँ भी जाते हैं भारत का सम्मान जो है वो ज्ञान की वजह से है। और आज लोग क्या कहते हैं, आप लोग तो सुनते हैं ना न्यूज़ में, भारत को जगत गुरु बनाएंगे, भारत को हिंदू राष्ट्र बनाएंगे। अरे भारत तो जगत गुरु था और है और रहेगा। ज्ञान तो यहाँ पर है ना, भारत में ये ज्ञान और कहीं नहीं है। तो जिसके पास ज्ञान है वही तो गुरु है। बिना ज्ञान के गुरु कैसे बन जाता है? मिस्टर ट्रंप कितना भी चाहें कि अमेरिका जगत गुरु बन जाए, फॉरगेट अबाउट दैट, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू हैवन, नेवर गोइंग टू हैपन दैट। बट हमारे यहाँ का एक छोटा बच्चा भी आता है, मैं कभी कभी प्ले करता हूँ बच्चों के साथ, बातचीत करता हूँ, देखता हूँ, समझता हूँ। दे आर बॉर्न लीडर्स, जन्म से वो नेतृत्व की उनमें क्वालिटी है। कहीं भी जाइए वर्ल्ड में, जहाँ इंडियन बच्चा दिखेगा वो लीडर है। खाली उसको थोड़ा सा बूस्ट करना है, थोड़ी सी नॉलेज और देनी है कि कैसे पूरा यूनिवर्स गवर्न करना है, और वो उसके अंदर है। चेतना जागृत है तो सारा विश्व जो है वो जागृत रह सकता है, वो उसको एडमिनिस्ट्रेट कर सकता है। तो आप सबका स्वागत है, आप सबका वेलकम है कि आइए इस पवित्र कार्य में, भारत को आगे बढ़ाने में, अपने बच्चों को, अपने भारत के देश के नागरिकों को और समस्त विश्व के नागरिकों को, डजेंट मैटर किस धर्म के हैं, किस संप्रदाय के हैं, किस जाति के हैं, किस वर्ग के हैं, गरीब है, अमीर है, लंबा है, छोटा सा है, मोटा है, डजेंट मैटर व्हाट, लेकिन अपने भारतीयों को तैयार करते हैं ग्लोबल लीडरशिप के लिए। इसमें आपका हमको सहयोग चाहिए है। अच्छा, वो बात तो रह गई, ये जो बच्चे पीएचडी करेंगे हमारे साथ 8 से 9 साल के पीरियड में, इनको पहले दिन एक अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर दे देंगे। और अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर काय का दे देंगे? आजकल अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर मिलता जॉब का, जॉब गारंटी है। नहीं, इनको नौकर नहीं बनाएंगे, सर्वेंट नहीं बनाएंगे, इनको मालिक बनाएंगे, मलकियत देंगे इनको। उसका अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर देंगे कि तुम मालिक हो सारे विश्व के, उसका अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर देंगे। और अगर आज उसकी वैल्यू 50,000 रुपीज़ है और 8 ईयर लेटर मान लीजिए उसकी वैल्यू 5 लाख रुपए होगी, तो जब वो ग्रेजुएट होके निकलेगा तो फर्स्ट चेक उसको 5 लाख रुपए का मिलेगा। ये गारंटी उस लेटर में लिखी रहेगी। और फिर वो जितना जनरेट करेगा उसका है वो। हम तो उसका पॉकेट मनी देंगे 5 लाख रुपए सम पिज़्ज़ा और कोक के लिए। नहीं नहीं, अपने पिज़्ज़ा कोक नहीं खाते अपने स्वस्थ आहार खाते। हम तो जोक कर रहे हैं। तो ये पॉकेट मनी उसको देंगे, बाकी महालक्ष्मी की सारी कृपा उसके साथ होगी। वो दूसरों को देगा क्योंकि वो एम्प्लॉयर होगा, वो एम्प्लॉय नहीं होगा। वो लाखों लोगों को रोजगार देगा। ये उसके अंदर में कैपेसिटी हम डेवलप करके देंगे। तो आप सबके बच्चे, मैं तो मिलता हूँ, आई एम ऑलवेज सो हैप्पी टू मीट दीज चिल्ड्रन। दे आर द फ्यूचर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स, इंडियन चिल्ड्रन आर द फ्यूचर ऑफ नॉट ओनली द वर्ल्ड, ऑफ द यूनिवर्स। दैट्स फॉर श्योर, इज गारंटीड। तो फिर से आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई, बहुत शुभकामनाएं। जय गुरुदेव, जय महर्षि।